How to make a wood and resin knife. Cut a piece of Purpleheart wood. The piece can be irregular in shape. Secure the wood in a mold using appropriate glue. Mix 2 parts of clear epoxy resin. Add teal pigment to the resin and mix thoroughly. Apply light heat to remove bubbles formed during mixing. Pour the prepared resin into the mold. A first base layer can be poured earlier if required. Allow the resin to cure for 24 hours until fully hardened. Remove the cured workpiece from the mold. Grind the surface flat for an even base. Draw the knife shape on white paper and cut it out. Paste the paper template onto the workpiece. Cut along the outline using a scroll saw. Reduce the depth in the resin section using a router. Trim and smooth the edges with a high-grit sanding drum. Polish the resin portion with progressively finer sandpapers. Drill holes in the wooden handle section. Continue polishing for a refined finish. Apply polishing compound to the resin surface. Buff with a cloth wheel until glossy. Cut decorative screw heads and fix them to the wooden handle using quick-setting epoxy. Treat the wooden handle with natural linseed oil to enhance the grain. The wood and resin knife is now complete.